Hello guys, how you doing? So guys, and I'm coming again. So as we saw last videos, you see this is a T5, the Volkswagen T5. They already fixed everything, and they try to check that there is any failure in the system. This is the Megamax 66 diagnostic tools with me. So let me check it out. Turn the ignition on, and let me choose my car. Right, so vehicle identification number is always the fastest way that to diagnose the system. Is the engine what I have. So okay. Have to wait some time to communicate. So diagnose, right? So failure code for the timing. There's a 4 travel codes in the system. Just I'm not interested with that, so I'm going to delete all. So one more time. So this is what I would like to see. I'll show you. The coolant level and everything is fixed. Kept it there, as you can see. So try to set. Yes, it can't. No diesel in the system, so we have to